Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am, for the month of May, the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and I am very excited to announce that today starts our Spook Your Spring Make-Along. If you guys have not been around in the past, I love Christmas in July, but I really needed Halloween in the spring. So I started the Spook Your Spring Make-Along a couple of years ago so we could spook the month of May and get ready for our fall makes and our Halloween makes and kind of get a jump start on those things. So there is a giveaway portion to this. In order to be entered into the giveaway, you need to start a project from the time this video goes live until the end of the month of May 2024. You have the entire month to create your spooky makes. I don't care if you quilt, if you do beading, if you are a card maker, if you want to make an album, if you're a potter, a sculptor, as long as your make is a spooky make and you share it either in an email to me, our Facebook group where there will be a dedicated thread for your finished objects. You can DM me on Instagram, and I will have a hashtag that will be in the description box of this video that you can post actively on Instagram. In no way, shape, or form is this sponsored content. This is not affiliated with YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or anybody else. This is sponsored by me, hosted by me, and paid for by me with a couple of donated gifts for the giveaway. I am so excited. Every year I get so excited for this. There is some more legal stuff down below. I do ask that you are 18 years or older before entering the giveaway. Unfortunately, if you are in the US, I do have physical prizes like I always do. However, if you are outside of the US, unfortunately, it is way too expensive for me to ship things to you. However, we do have digital options for prizes for you as well. Please make sure that in your country or state or province that it is legal for you to enter into a random drawing giveaway style thing, as that is how I choose the winners. And I don't want you to break the law, and I definitely don't want to break the law. So I'm not going to jail for something that simple. And I don't make YouTube money enough to pay for fines. Just saying. So, makes spooky. On our Facebook thread, we will also have a place for you to share any movies, audiobooks, YouTube channels, stories, anything that you're doing to add to the spooky theme, to create your spooky atmosphere. Also, if you have a particular beverage that you are enjoying, please feel free to share that in the Facebook group as well. I am so excited. So I do already have some projects set aside. I did share in a show and tell video that I will be making socks from this Felice yarn here. I also will be making this quilt magic project that I purchased from Mixon. Very excited about that. In July, I have a Christmas one. Like I said, I do like Christmas in July. I'm just more of a Halloween in the spring kind of girl. I think I've covered everything for the make along. I don't want to take up too much of your time because I do want you guys to get started on the making. So you have the entire month of May, from May 1st to May 30, whatever the month ends on. I probably should have looked at a calendar, I guess. I was just too excited to share with you guys that it's time to get our spooky makes on. Please check out the description box for any further information that you guys may need in order to enter. Don't forget, email address, Instagram handle, hashtag, and Facebook group information is all in the description box down below. If you are asking to join the Facebook group, please make sure you answer all of the questions. I am very particular. I am the only moderator of the group. So please make sure that you answer all of the questions or else your request will be declined. I'm not trying to be rude or mean, but I am a single person moderator and I really want to make sure that our community guidelines are being followed and that people are willing to agree to those community guidelines and really want to participate in the crafty goodness that is our little Facebook group. So I love you guys. I cannot wait to see what you guys are making. Please share your works in progress as the process goes along, and make sure that you have your final entry in that Facebook thread that is marked for the final FOs. Also, if you wouldn't mind, if you don't mind me sharing your pictures in a video at the end of the month or beginning of June, I guess, please also make sure that you give me permission to share your picture, as that is your personal artwork. Your photography is your own personal artwork, plus the artwork that you make. I've got to go get started crafting. I cannot wait to see what you guys make. Once again, anything that you're making, pottery, paper, fabric, yarn, beads, come join this spooky fun. I love you guys.